World Champs Veterans, brought to you by Send Money Overseas or across Jamaica from now until September 5. And you can win in the Western Union's Explore Jamaica promo. This is Western Union, moving money for better.
Anisha, competing at these World Athletics Championships goes back to 2009 in Berlin, Germany, for you. You've been to, this is your third one overall. What is it like competing at the World Championships as in comparison with maybe the Olympic Games?
Well, I don't see a big difference. It's always exciting to compete on this big stage and to represent Jamaica. So I don't really see a difference between the World Champs and the Olympics. Well, it's extra exciting for me this year because this is my first year competing in the World Championships, not in the 200 meters, but doing the 4x4s.
And you yourself being a seasoned campaigner on the team, what is it like? What kind of advice do you give to the youngsters, the first timers who might approach you, or who you might even just decide to give advice to?
Well, I mean, it's the same competition. It's the same 200 or 100 meter that you're running. It's just a different stage. So whatever you used to do before, so for instance, for the national championships, national trials in Jamaica, just get the same frame of mind as you had before. It's nothing really different. It's the same race, just different people you're competing with.
And you're running just the 4x4. How are you preparing for that event?
Well, training has been going great. I mean, I had some injury setbacks, but since the national trials, I've been getting over that. So training has been going great. So I'm just looking forward to go out there and represent Jamaica to the best of my ability.
And we are the defending champions in the 4x4 here at the World Championships. As you know, I know you can remember that leg by, of course, Navleen Williams-Mills back in 2015. Think we can upstage the US in particular?
Well, that's the plan. We're going out there to defend our title successfully, so that's the plan.
All right, Anisha, thank you so very much, and we'll continue to follow up with you.
All right, thanks.
World Champs Veterans, brought to you by Send Money Overseas or across Jamaica from now until September 5. And you can win in the Western Union's Explore Jamaica promo. This is Western Union, moving money for better.